Oh, once again, I apologize. I am sorry. I hope it doesn't happen again. I noticed on the other part that we didn't get to see what I was doing with my hand underneath this tap. So let's move to a different area and let's see. So there it is. This is what I was doing, digging up the soil. And you can see how easy it is for me to just penetrate my hand and go in without having used any tillage equipment. I am sure even if you had used a hoe, say, or a djembe to dig this up, you would not be able to dig your hand in like I can, or like I'm doing. You can see the biology underneath, and probably some people are thinking that is in the bacteria, maybe the fungi, the arthropods in your soil, aren't they going to destroy your crop? When you have the right biology, when you introduce the right biology by doing compost that has been done properly, then you do not have to worry about pests. You don't need to worry about those root feeders, because you'll have basically they are not there. They are not. I don't know how else I can put it. Maybe I'll find some more appropriate language. But basically, when you have the proper biology, when you introduce the proper biology, you don't have those sorts of problems. That's that. As far as the taps is concerned, I would like us to move to, say, another part of the half acre. As you can see, again, some more raised beds that were done last year. This crop of kale is from last year, so it's just about done. Actually, it is done. We need to uproot this and get another crop going. As you can see, very little weed pressure. We have never had to weed this area since, I think the last time we uprooted weeds here was in January or Feb. This crop was done last year in September, and whether you believe me or not, it survived the drought without any watering. As we do not have adequate water source here, and given some other jobs around the farm, we basically found it very difficult to water this crop. But it made it through. It's still been feeding us. It's been feeding our neighbors. I guess now you can see that the leaves are very, very tiny. We just want to get it done with. Put a tap over, or maybe we do not have to tap this area. What we can do is just uproot, move all this stuff to our compost pile, uproot any weeds, get another crop going. We can maintain the weeding by uprooting bits by bits on a need basis. One challenge that we are getting here, as you may have noticed, is encroaching grass. As you can see, there's this Bermuda grass encroaching from this other end. Now that has been a challenge as well, but we hope to address that. Maybe we'll have to dig the path. We'll have to dig the path and cover it up with maybe some maize cobs, just to suppress the growth, just to halt the growth. I would have preferred to use wood chips right on this path and on the paths in between the beds, but that is not possible because this is not my land, and the owner basically said he does not want wood chips on his land. I do not understand why. maybe I don't know, wood chips would have worked for me. Nothing wrong with wood chips, but that's that.